In this video, I will demonstrate how to connect DocIQ with OneDrive, synchronize files, and search documents through the virtual assistant using the matter locking approach. There are two ways to create a connector in DocIQ: through Legal Matter Management, L1, matter locking. Through Configuration Arrow Connectors, Arrow Add New Integration, L2, without matter locking. The key difference is that in the L1 approach, documents are associated with a specific legal matter, and users must lock the matter before searching documents in the virtual assistant. Step 1. Create the OneDrive connector. I have already logged into the application with valid credentials. From the dashboard, navigate to Legal Arrow Manage Legal Matters. Here, I have already created a legal matter named Child Custody, Curtis versus Sarah Lee. Next, click Add New Connector. The application provides 4 connector types: Google Drive, Azure Blob Storage, AWS S3, OneDrive. Select OneDrive. You will then see the available scope options. Global, G, accessible to all users within the organization. Individual, I, accessible only to a specific user. Click Roles, R, accessible based on assigned user roles. Select the required scope and choose the appropriate access type. Enter the connector alias name and click Authenticate. The application redirects you to Microsoft's login page. Enter your credentials and complete the authentication process. Once authentication is successful, return to the application and click Next. Write. Read and write. The system displays the folders and files available in your OneDrive account. Select the required folder or files and click Save and Continue. The OneDrive connector is now successfully created and linked to the legal matter. Step 2. Synchronize files. After creating the connector, the next step is to synchronize the files. Navigate to Configuration Arrow Sync Files. From the Matter dropdown, select the legal matter associated with the connector. Click Get Files. The application retrieves all files available through the connected OneDrive source. Select the files that you want to process and click Sync Selected Files. The system begins processing the selected files. You can monitor the sync progress and wait until the files are successfully processed and indexed. Once processing is complete, the documents become available for AI-powered search within the virtual assistant. Step 3. Search documents in Virtual Assistant. Now, navigate to the Virtual Assistant module. Since this connector was created using the matter locking approach, the legal matter must first be locked. Click on Lock Matter and select the matter Child Custody, Curtis versus Sarah Lee. After successfully locking the matter, enter your search query. For example, summarize the case documents. The virtual assistant retrieves information only from the documents associated with the locked matter and provides AI-generated responses based on the synchronized content. This ensures that searches remain contextual, secure, and limited to the selected legal matter. That's all for configuring OneDrive and limited to the selected legal matter. That's all for configuring OneDrive connector. Thank you for watching.